guys, it's Roy from RLocal12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with the SmartDEVIL Quick Installation Screen Protector for the Google Pixel 9 Pro. I'm super excited for this video today. I recently did a video where I installed one of these on my daughter's Pixel 7, and it went super quickly and super easy. It was the easiest screen protector that I've ever put on. And not only was it the quickest and the easiest one that I've ever put on, it was the first time that I've ever put on a tempered glass screen protector without any dust on the screen. I recently accidentally peeled up the corner on my Pixel 9 Pro screen protector here, and I've got a little nasty thing there, and I have a little teensy piece of dust here that I've had on this thing for a long time. It hasn't really bugged me because I only see it when the screen is off, but I'm ready to give it a try and ready to try out a new screen protector on my Pixel 9 Pro. So let's go ahead and let's open this thing up. So this screen protector, one of the great things about it is it actually comes with 3 different screen protectors as well as your camera protectors. One word of caution, I made the mistake when I ordered mine, is you can order it with the wrong camera protector. For the Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro, they do have very specific camera bumps. You want to make sure that you get the one that is specific to your device. But that being said, I will have links to both of them in the video description down below. And the other nice thing is, if you mess up by some weird happenstance, if you mess up when you're putting this thing on, it actually comes with 3 different protectors so that you can fix your mistake. Or if you get it on right the first time, you have extra backups if you ever happen to break your screen protector. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put these out here for me and get everything all cleaned up and ready. And then we're going to put this baby on. Then we're going to take this, and as you can see here, it came with a screen protector pre-inserted into the case. We're going to take the case, and put it on. Make sure it's seated right. We're going to push down right here. We're going to pull. Let it sit for 10 seconds. We're going to push down here just a little bit and pull this up. And then we're going to pull that baby on off. And presto, we are good to go. That thing looks awesome. We're going to flip it over, and we're going to do our next one. As you can see there, I did have to fix that one just a teensy bit. It doesn't come with the same guide that the other one does, and so I did mess up when I was putting it on. It was just a little bit off-centered up here, but as you can see there, it was super easy to fix, and that thing just looks awesome. It's a great screen protector. It works great as far as protecting your device. You're able to scratch that up with a pocket knife, stab it there a couple of times. No shattering, no scratches, nothing. That thing just looks perfect. The greatest part about this thing is it goes for about $20 on Amazon. That means that with these screen protectors, you're paying about $7 per screen protector. You get the super easy guide, you get the easiest installation process I've ever seen, and you get a crystal clear screen protector that's going to keep your device protected no matter what. If you guys have any questions about the installation process, if you have any questions about SmartDEVIL or about any of their other products, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.